Hi, welcome to this video on how to buy Solana meme coins using Phantom Wallet. To trade Solana meme coins, first go to Dex Screener and check the coin you want to buy. Once you've made your decision, click on the coin on Dex Screener. On the main page of the coin, you can see its market cap and volume. To buy it, scroll down and copy the coin's address. Next, go to your Phantom Wallet and log in. Once you're on the main page of Phantom Wallet, scroll down and click on Sites. Choose the network you want to trade on, either Jupiter or Raydium. For this tutorial, we will be using Jupiter. Click on it, and you will be directed to another page. At the top of that page, paste the address you copied earlier. The coin will pop up. Click on it. Now, you can buy the coin. Select how much Solana you want to swap for this coin. Once you've done that, click Buy. It will ask you to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm, and it will swap your Solana for your chosen meme coin. You will see the transaction is approved. That's how to buy Solana meme coins. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.